Graham Green.
Boy, it is your boy, Graham Green, and we are back. I'm sorry for all the inactivity for the past couple weeks. If you guys have been tuning into my previous videos on this channel, you guys know that we're going through a little bit of a rough patch. So I took it upon myself to go back to the roots of Graham Green and really rebuild myself from the bottom up. And I really want to tell you guys that it's been working wonders and your boy's feeling great. So thank you all for the support. I really appreciate all the messages, everyone coming up to me at these shows, wishing me the best and positive love possible. And yeah, it's been pretty crazy. I'm gonna be honest. And I have so much footage for the past 2 months. Me playing in Houston, me playing in LA, me playing in DC, me playing at Wobbleland. There's a lot that I want to go through. As you guys know, for the past I don't know, maybe 2-3 years, I don't even remember. There's been a lot of issues that I've been avoiding, and it all just fell on me at once. And yeah, it was definitely very difficult. And I just want people to know that if you're in a bad spot, it's not impossible to get out. So this journey starts from back in the beginning of April, but I wanted to pretty much start the journey where things really changed for me when I kind of woke up. And that was thanks to Ever After Music Festival. Ever After Music Festival, I hope you guys know, made a video about it, reviewing the lineup and the whole festival in detail and whatnot. And I wasn't really sure I was going to go. I didn't really have a way in up until a couple days before the festival, and I barely had any money. As you guys will find out, I only had $3 American when I made it to the festival, meaning that I would have to fend for myself, make sure that I had food, somewhere to sleep, all these different things. But your boy made it out, and he had the best time ever. First video of Ever After the first day. It's a little different. It's a lot of me talking, so if you guys don't like me talking, just fast forward. This video isn't for you. There is no show footage. Really sorry about that. Tried my best to get the footage, but they only allow the people with the media passes 10 minutes in the photo pit area, so everyone would have the same footage, and I wasn't allowed on stage because you needed another level of criteria to let you be on stage with the artist. I didn't know that. If I knew ahead of time, I would have contacted all their management to make sure that I would be able to get footy. But at the end of the day, this festival was meant for me to kind of just go back to my roots, meet the Gram fam, chill with the homies, all the people that I've done work for in the past, and kind of just find myself again. And it was amazing. So yeah, get over here. So in this video, you're gonna see me pretty much talking about the life that I was living currently, what the outlook of the weekend was for me, and also me meeting up with my my papa Shivers, me seeing my friend Lychee, and also reuniting with the Gentlemen's Club, Ominous, and meeting the Don, Mastodon. Yes, so you'll see a little bit of commentary from me throughout the video explaining what's happening, and yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this edit. The next part would be Ever After Part 2, and then we're also going to release the Shivers performance that I got, and we have the after party with him back-to-back Mastodon, and then we have day 3, so we have a lot to cover for this weekend. But I'm ready to show you guys. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys really enjoy, because this was a weekend that really changed things for me and kind of brought me back to life. So thank you, enjoy it, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers. Oi, it is your boy, Graham Green. We're out here on our way to Ever After Music Festival. Yes, we made it, guys. Woo! Everything got sorted. So we're making this this trip up to Kitchener, Ontario to catch some epicness this weekend. Gonna meet up with my papa Shivers and spend a couple days with him, and then meet up with all the homies. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have a meet and greet on Sunday with the festival finesser, meet all the homies, all the Gram fam. I'm excited. And yeah, just wanted to take a second to thank you guys for being patient with me. I know I haven't really been posting these videos as often as I used to, but I'm just focusing right now on my grind, trying to make the money that I need to, and also just focusing on my mental health. And I've noticed that like I said before, social media is pretty toxic, and I'm trying to stay away from that at the moment. These past couple weeks have been crazy. Last week I was in Philadelphia for Wobbleland, then I traveled to Montreal for an Infect's wedding. And then this week I'm traveling to Ontario, which is 8 hours. This drive is crazy long. And then I have to go back on Monday, and then next Saturday I go to Base Offs in Denver, Colorado and play a show. And then I have a break up until the middle of July when I play Valhalla. So I'm actually looking forward to just chilling out, focusing on my grind, making the money I need to, paying off all the debt that I have, and entering my birthday with less credit cards, and paying the people that I owe money to. And yeah, I'm going back to my roots, driving out to these shows, doing some Gram Cam work with the people that I look up to and the people who respect me as well. So I feel good about it. and I'm gonna keep on grinding. We're gonna keep on going, nothing stopping this train. Don't forget to do that thing, like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys, and enjoy the ride. Cheers! Oi, it is your boy, Graham Green, here in Toronto now, yes. I think I've only come up this way once before, I don't even remember. But we made it through, no problems. The only issue right now is that I need to get to this venue by 6 o'clock or else I won't be able to get my media pass, meaning I won't be able to attend tonight. Yeah, my dumbass overslept. I was really tired, I've been working a lot, you know, like slept like 3-4 hours, woke up, it's like fuck my life, going to Canada again. This ride was so long. But anyways, the GPS says I should make it there. Let's check it out. 5:52, my fucking life. So hopefully I can do everything within that time, get there before time runs out. I also need to take a piss, and I don't know what to do about that because I can't stop. I don't have any time to spare. Oh God. So yeah. Besides all that, you know, guys, I've been doing a lot of self-reflecting and seeing where I've gone wrong, what I did right, and what I could do to improve my life. And it's kind of crazy to see what has happened this past year and a half. You know, I went to Philadelphia, I lived there, you know, I was living on my own, trying my best to, like, you know, be an adult and everything like that. But as I mentioned in previous videos, a lot of my careless mistakes from the past have caught up with me, and I can no longer avoid them. And it sucks because that was the catalyst to ruining a lot of things in my life. But I needed it. I needed this moment to show me that, hey, Milton, we're not young anymore. You know, I am 26, I'm gonna be 27 soon. And these mistakes that back in the day I didn't really care about because I was like, oh, I'm young, it's fine. They have caught up, and dealing with them now, it's been very tedious and meticulous, working every single day, every penny that I have going to bills and whatnot, and, you know, trying to tie up the loose ends that I have in my life. But it's okay. I'm really proud of you know, where Graham Green is and where he's going. Wobbleland last weekend was just an amazing experience, being able to open up for so many legends. And I see this trend happening where I'm opening up for these big shows, and that's like a really big sign to me that, you know, things are going the way that I want them to, and that I need to remain patient and just, you know, slow and steady wins the race. The summer is going to be amazing, and this is kind of like the start of my summer in essence. And yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Tomorrow is the fucking day that if you saw my ever after video, the need to know guide, you know that Saturday is the day that sold me. Once I saw that Saturday lineup, I was sold. I was there, and yeah, so Shivers, Hesh, Mastodon, Green Velvet, Chris Lake, Fun Case, it's gonna be fucking wild. And then Sunday too, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna keep on driving. I might have to speed a little bit to save some time, but there's a fucking traffic jam that's 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour delay. I'm gonna piss my pants, honestly. I don't know what the fuck. But anyways, if I can't get into the festival tonight, I'm literally just going to wait for Jermaine to make it there. I don't know how I'm going to do this because I don't have any cellular reception here in Canada. I used to, but T-Mobile took that away from me for some reason. Maybe my dad like downgraded, I don't know. But yeah, it's gonna be very interesting, see how this goes. And yeah, you know, solo dolo, Graham Green, adventures, you already know how we do it. Back in the day, since 2015, killing it, bringing you the most lit and epic content of the underground rhythm and dubstep scene. Your boy has been traveling about. I've made this trip to Canada maybe like 30 times at this point, I don't fucking know. And most of them driving by myself, very therapeutic. Full, like, you know, the full round trip, it's about like 20 hours in my car. And I already spend most of the day in my car, so this is where I feel the most comfortable. And yeah, we're gonna keep it going. I'm excited. Let's do this. We're gonna see so many friends, so many homies, so many GramFam members, so many artists that I respect. And yeah, ooh, we shaved a minute off. Let's keep it going. Cheers. Update, we are almost there. We are 45 minutes away. We avoided all the traffic, and we'll be there 30 minutes before they close. So that's a good thing. At least we'll get into the festival and enjoy the rest of the night. sad that I miss a couple people, but you know, that's what happens sometimes when you're traveling and shit happens that you don't expect. In old-fashioned Graham Greene style, I'm going to this festival with approximately $3. Yes, $3 American. I spent all my money on gas. So this weekend will be about grinding, making some money, doing some videos for people, hopefully getting some donations, and yeah, making some money so I can make my way back. And we're just gonna do the old Graham Greene thing and survive like we do. And I know the GramFam will have me covered. So see you guys soon. Cheers. Oi, it is your boy, Graham Greene, out here, Ever After Music Festival 2019. Made a video talking about this festival and now we're here. Yes. Cool way to start the summer. Gee. Hey guys, so doing a little commentary on what's happening, give you guys a little more context. I'm gonna watch it with you guys. Yeah, so got to the festival, almost closed. I needed to get my media pass and they stopped doing that at like 6 o'clock. I made it 8 minutes beforehand. Super clutch. The Raptors games was happening, so traffic was crazy. I unfortunately missed Ominous. She wasn't able to play, so, but it was okay. Just roaming around the crowd, you know, seeing how immerse everyone was into the music and whatnot was really cool. I just like the way that they decorated everything. I think it was a very good location in my opinion. And yeah, so I had to get another pass to get to the back, but eventually meet up with my Papa Shivers, and it was amazing seeing him again. Then here's my friend Lee Chi. If you guys don't know who Chi is, he's a fucking Don. Get to know him. It's always a pleasure to see this guy. And the best part about Ever After is he kept seeing homies everywhere. So the next group of people that I saw, Gentlemen's Club, 50 Carat, Solomon Coffee. Love you guys. Had a great time partying with y'all. Always, you know what I mean? Shout out Slag. So I really like Ever After a lot, especially because it brought a lot of my friends to one place over here. I'm photobombing a picture that people are trying to take with Master Don. Yes, finally got to meet the young legend. It was amazing getting to meet him, see him play, and hang out with all the homies there. We have like Reaper, we have Ominous, you know, all the homies.
This is the Gram cam.
Yeah, Ominous had his own cam. It was great.
We got the Don, Master Don.
Oh my god, yes. So me and Shivers have this tendency of like walking through the festivals that we're in. We just like to like roam around. And
sure.
Yeah, this is where we're trying to go down this very steep hill. He's not trying to fall. We have traumatic memories of nightmare when we're walking through the mud and everything like that. So, you know, it's always nice to spend time with my papa like that. Just like, you know, meeting the fans, just roaming about in the festival, because that's why we're there, because of them.
She's gone.
Super shout out to my papa always. He was able to give me an all access pass, which gave me the ability to go to the back, go to, you know, pretty much everywhere I wanted to go except for the stage, for, you know, depending on the set. But major shout outs. Thank you, Papa, for providing an amazing weekend for me. And he knew I was going through a rough patch, so he was like, do your ting, son, enjoy your time. And I did. So like I mentioned before, Ever After had a water park and all that. The whole like Mad Hatter's area too was really super sick and dope. That's where I had the meetup on Sunday. Very nice place to just chill, meet up with people. And you know, overall I'm gonna say that Ever After was pretty organized. Yeah, there were some moments where you'd be like, whoa, that person really fucked up, but at the end of the day,
I thought so.
It was pretty good.
Same. I hope so.
For example, this is one of the few people we saw that were like completely fucked. He was okay. He was probably on some like ketamine or something.
Someone gotta get him some sugar.
Okay.
Someone got get him some sugar.
Sugar water, yes. Tip.
Sugar water.
If you're ever in a K-hole. Sugar water.
He's had too much. He was sick with himself. Fuck that.
I think he was live streaming. I want to say he was live streaming. Yeah, he was. I love his comment here. He's like the best commenter ever. What set was happening? Kill the Snails. It was alright. There's a lot of people there, but you know, it's not my cup of tea. Anyone interested in the mix playing in the background for this whole video? Papa Shivers. Yes, the link is down below. super sick. Him going to like that OG dubstep kind of thing. I love it. Oh my god, I love this part. We're walking to the backstage area, and then you have like 50 Carat, Sullivan, Coffee, and Rusko just singing. I don't know what song they're singing, but they're singing. Me and Tremaine are just like amazing. Like you walk to the backstage and you have these dogs just like chilling out, having the time of their lives. It's amazing. Oh my god, yes. I love this moment. Like I said, I had very little money, so I didn't know how I was gonna eat, and they were like getting rid of all the catering they had for the artists, so they were like, do you want one? And I'm like, can I take 2? And they gave me 2, and then like, that's the meal for like 2 days.
Somehow got 2 meals, so we're set. We're good. We're filled up with food. Festival's been pretty dope. Tomorrow, I'm very excited for my papa and all my friends to play. It's gonna be a dope ass time at Green Velvet, Chris Lake. Whew. This is a cod dubs pizza. Nice and cold.
Someone play Soggy Cookie with this fucking pizza.
Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna explain that real quick. Cod dubs pizza. He like when I met Cod dubs back in like 2015, I think. Yeah. It was known thing that he loved to eat his cold pizza. So he would order a pizza, eat a slice, and then leave it throughout the day and continuously eat it. And yeah. So that's why I mentioned that. And soggy cookie, for those who don't know, I think it's when like a group of guys just like jizz on a cookie. So I think they were trying to do that with a pizza. I don't know. Some random guy was trying to give us a Domino pizza at like the after party. It was like 2 in the morning. It was the most random thing, but we didn't take it. But yeah, anyways, that's the end of that edit. Hope you guys really enjoyed just following me through my journey. The next day, we have some footage of not only Shivers, but Mastodon and Hesh. All these really cool people. Really excited to bring you that. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon. Okay? Keep it chi AF. Chi!
Graham Green.